Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that could pop up in your vehicle's check engine light, the P0135 code. If you've seen the P0135 code on your OBD scanner, don't worry, because in this video, we'll break down exactly what that code means and what you can do to fix it. Let's get started. The P0135 code refers to an oxygen sensor heater circuit malfunction, bank 1, sensor 1. Simply put, this means there's an issue with the heating element in your vehicle's upstream oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor plays a critical role in monitoring exhaust gases and sending information to the engine control module to optimize fuel efficiency and emissions. Common causes of P0135, number 1, faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor itself may be damaged or malfunctioning, leading to the heater circuit not functioning correctly. Check the oxygen sensor for physical damage or contamination. If the sensor appears faulty, it may need to be replaced. Number 2, wiring issues. There could be damaged, corroded, or disconnected wiring leading to the sensor or the heater circuit. Inspect the wiring harness and connectors going to the oxygen sensor. Look for frayed, broken, or corroded wires, and repair or replace them as necessary. Number 3. Faulty engine control module, ECM. The engine control module that manages the oxygen sensor may have a malfunction, although this is less common. If the ECM is malfunctioning, you may need to reprogram it or replace it entirely. However, this is rare, and a mechanic should diagnose this thoroughly. Number 4. Improper voltage supply. If there's an issue with the electrical supply to the oxygen sensor heater, such as low voltage or a short circuit, it can trigger this code. You can test the resistance of the sensor's heater circuit using a multimeter. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications. If it's out of range, the sensor may need replacement. Number 5. Clear the code and test drive. After performing any repairs, clear the code and take the vehicle for a test drive to see if the problem is resolved and the code doesn't come back. If you are not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, it's always a good idea to take your car to a certified mechanic who can diagnose and fix the issue for you. And of course, if you don't have an OBD2 scanner, you can always bring your car to an auto parts store for a free scan. By addressing the issue early, you can prevent additional complications, such as poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, or high emissions. If the issue continues despite your efforts, it's best to consult a professional mechanic to ensure proper diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.